Join us as we travel to an 1860s mining camp in search for relics and coins from the past, this time on Dirt Fishin' America.
Over here, I think I just got a coin. Haven't checked it yet. If it's like all the other stuff around here, it's gonna be old. Check it out. Cross your fingers. I don't think it's old.
What? No, it's old, dude.
I don't think it is.
That's deep. That's old.
It ain't that old. It's a wheat.
Is it really?
Yeah. It's got a nice green patina, so it's an early wheat.
Yeah. Maybe another teens.
1911. That disappoints me. Any other day that I would dig something like this, I would be extremely happy, but since we're around a bunch of stuff from the 1860s, I'm expecting a coin from the 1860s. But hey, I'll take a 1911 any day. Do I have snot? Oh, look at that. Oh man, we're on it. Hello, beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful. You have to wonder if they shot it or if they dropped it. Either way, that is awesome. It's the first round ball I've pulled out of here. It's a bullet bonanza.
Check this out.
Boom.
Pocket watch face. How cool is that? Look at that. Awesome.
Oh, I just found the other half of this. Oh, look at that. Oh man, I'm on a roll with pocket watches. Let's go show Eric. Right here, boom, found that. And then right here, there's the back. So we're missing the other part of the clamshell, and we're missing some guts too. And the best part, look at this. It's got initials. I don't know what that says. Looks like a WH maybe. I don't know. Getting something there.
thought you had a coin on your hand, didn't you?
Oh, we might have something right here. Garbage. Garbage. Here you go. Getting something there. Okay guys, I'm back here where I found that pocket watch last week. I can't sleep, I can't think about anything other than finding the rest of that watch, and I think it's gonna be in here somewhere. I'm gonna do a little digging around, see if I can turn something up.
That sounds familiar.
Oh, I just saw it. I just saw it. Look at this. I knew it had to be in here somewhere. There it is. Oh.
Oh yeah, dude. Nice.
Yeah, except for it has the exact same markings as the other one.
Right, doesn't give you anything new.
Nothing. The mechanism has to be around here somewhere. That is so crazy. I think the reason why I wasn't getting a good signal is because of all this stuff was on top of it. But there's the back of it. All right, let's look for the mechanism. So much iron and so many nails in here. Nail. Alright. I'm having a really hard time finding the rest of this watch. It's not in here, I don't think. I got the face, I got the front, I got the back. I need the guts. Where are the guts? Without the guts though, there's no way I'll be able to identify it. Absolutely no way. Oh, I think I found it. Oh, I think I found it. I think I found it. Please, 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 please. This has to be it. This has to be it. Oh, it's not it! I don't think so. It's like part of an old makeup compact. I thought this was gonna be it. I thought we had it. Why would... Oh, God. I don't even know what to say to that. I just got a coin. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a period coin. Looks like an Indian from here, because it is. Oh, it's in great shape. Oh, it's not period though. Well, I mean, it's old, but it ain't that old. 1903 or 1908 Indian head. I'll take it.
Good find, man. Good find.
I'll take it.
It's a good find.
Not as old as I was hoping it would be, but it's definitely a good find. That small coil is great for getting in and around all this type of stuff in here, so let's keep looking.
And that's exactly what we did. We kept looking until the sun went down behind the mountains that night. We never did find the rest of that pocket watch, but we did leave with some great memories and some decent finds. Remember, you won't find it if you're not looking. Thanks for watching Dirt Fishing America. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check us out on Facebook.